Welcome to Proactive Air Services, where we take your aviation dreams to the skies. Today, we have exciting news for our students. After weeks of maintenance overhaul, our Cessna 152-5 Yankee BZO is back in our fleet. Our Cessna 152 is an excellent aircraft for flight training. It is popular among students and instructors alike due to its reliability, maneuverability, and stability in the air. With its 2 seats, dual controls, and exceptional performance, this aircraft is perfect for your training needs. The Cessna 152 is equipped with a Lycoming O235 engine, which provides ample power and performance for training flights. Its cockpit is designed to be user-friendly, making it easy for students to navigate the instrumentation and controls. Our Cessna 152-5 Yankee BZO has undergone a thorough maintenance overhaul to ensure it is in top condition for your training flights. We take the safety of our students seriously, and we always ensure that our aircraft are maintained to the highest standards. As a student at Proactive Flight Training School, you can expect to receive high-quality flight training from our experienced instructors. With our state-of-the-art aircraft and facilities, we will equip you with the skills and knowledge you need to become a competent and confident pilot. So, whether you are just starting your flight training or looking to advance your skills, our Cessna 152-5 Yankee BZO is ready and waiting for you. Come and experience the joy of flying with Proactive Flight Training School. Thank you for choosing Proactive, where we make your aviation dreams a reality.